Good morning, guys. Today is Monday and today I have a set of nails to do, and then after that I am going to go get my husband's t-shirts. Finally, they are done after almost 4 months, to be honest. But yeah, I'm really excited. Right now I am just going to do the nails, and then I'll show you guys a little picture of how they look. So I'll see you guys after I take a shower and when I'm ready. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hello guys, so I am done taking a shower and I am ready to go. So what I'm going to do today is I have to go pick up my husband's t-shirts. As you guys might remember, back in January I went to this place and they were going to do my shirts and everything like that. So I went to this new place and they are finally done after almost 4 months. I know it takes a long time, but whatever. So the shirts are finally done, so we are gonna go pick them up, my kids and me. They are not getting off the cart or anything, but I'm just gonna go in there, pick them up, pay, and come right back. So I will see you guys when I come back. So we are back from the place where I got the shirts, and let me show you guys how it turned out. So this is how it turned out. This part looks good because he had done this before. Let me put the brightness down so you guys can see the true colors. Like that. And then the newest addition, this is the newest edition, which is pretty cool. I really like it. I mean, he could have done it a little bigger. I told him bigger, but it is what it is, and this is how it looks. This is the gray, and this is how it looks in black. It looks pretty neat. This is orange. This is a welding torch. That's their website. So yeah, I am really happy with the results. So I am finally back from over there, and I'm actually really happy with the results. I mean, some things didn't come up as planned, but you live and you learn, right? And there, you can't go back now. So right now I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw that there is a contest going on for some nails, and I really want to enter. So let me show you guys my I'm gonna do it on a practice hand. Let me show you guys. So this is my little practice hand that I have, and as you guys can see, I already put the nails and made them coffin, and I made them long. So now I'm going to do the acrylic on top of it. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. And I'll show you guys the end result whenever I'm done. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Well guys, I'm finally done with the design, and this is what I came up with. I'm going to post it on Instagram and see what happens. This is my little hand that I use. It was a rainbow seam, so I did this design. I'm really excited to post this because I've never done this before, but I actually really liked it. Hello guys, so today it's already 8 p.m. and I've been cooking. Let me show you guys what I made. So I made oven chicken in the oven with potatoes and zucchini. So you guys can see right here. Looks really good. And then right here I made some shrimp and sausage boils. That one's mine and this one is hubby's. They're exactly the same, only that this one is a little bit bigger than mine because I don't want to eat that much. So we are going to eat, and then I'll see you a little bit later.